Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, this is AMRC, and today we have the Hobbyzone Champ S Plus. Let's get it in the air. And that battery hatch just won't stay closed. No problem. As you can see, most of the snow is gone. Actually, I think all of it, except up high in the mountains. We've went from minus 10 Celsius to plus 15, 20 in a few days. And it's been windy. Finally the winds died down so I can enjoy a nice day. Get a couple of flights in. And I'm starting with this one because it's so easy and relaxing to fly. And while I do fly, because this has a rather long flight time, I've been thinking about sharing a few YouTube tips that I've learned myself over the years. It's been about 2 years since I've been uploading videos to YouTube constantly, and it's great. I got to meet a lot of really cool people online, exchange ideas with them, found a lot of great channels and content, small channels that otherwise probably would have been much harder to find, and that's great. There's a sense of community between us RC enthusiasts on YouTube, whether it's airplanes, cars. I do a bit of both, but mostly airplanes. With the power lines. So yeah, I've noticed some guys, you know who you are. You upload 2-3 videos at a time, or really close one after the other. And in my opinion, that's not the best idea, because people who really want to see your videos might miss them, because you get a notification from a video. If you don't watch it right then and there, you get other notifications, and the initial one gets lost. And you can access there's either the app YouTube Studio or studio.youtube.com. There, once you upload your videos, first of all, you can set so it uploads all of them as private, so they don't go live the moment you... Ooh, wow, that was close. The moment you finish uploading them. And also you can schedule when they go live. I rarely do that because I'm lazy. But usually I go out, fly a few planes, get a couple of videos, scrap a few of them because you can't see anything, keep the ones with 1-2 minutes of seeing a plane fly, and me jabbing away. So yeah, that would be my first advice. Also, what's really important, unfortunately, is the thumbnails and the titles of the videos. We live in a clickbaity society today. So unless you have a thumbnail or a catchy title that's gonna intrigue, people are just gonna skip over unless they're really interested in that subject matter, which is not bad. I mean, yeah, I guess we want to have interested audiences, but at least for me, part of doing all this is maybe, you know, some kid, teenager, even if he's in his 60s, 70s, as a kid at heart, sees one of my videos of poor flying and says, hey, I could probably do that. Let's do some research, or ask this guy, or watch some other more articulate guy's videos and see how I could get into flying. So, and that's another point I wanted to touch. Also, if you want to get subscribers, what I've noticed, and gets me a lot more subscribers than my usual videos, is the short videos on YouTube. I don't know why, because YouTube has a really stupid, silly way of promoting those videos. I mean, some barely get any views, some get thousands. I think there's some indicators that also apply to regular YouTube videos, such as how much they watch of it, because that shows up in a feed mostly. I mean, you do get them like their regular videos as well, little thumbnails, but most views come from the short feed. And I notice the ones that get decent views, I usually get a few subscribers also. I don't know if it's by mistake, because usually the subscribe button is on the shorts, is in the lower left corner. Maybe when people swipe, they click the subscribe by mistake. But hey, it's subscribers. If they come back, watch another video, that's great. If not, yeah, I see subscriber numbers dropping. It's probably those people that clicked by mistake and have no interest. And another thing, if you're wanting to do this for money, thinking you'll get monetized and get a lot of money, that's what I was thinking at a certain point. And at that time, I think you needed to have 4,000 watch hours in the past 365 days and at least 1,000 subscribers to qualify. That happened in my case about a year and a half ago. I was thinking, cool, you know, YouTube plays ads anyway on my videos, so no harm if I get a few cents. And yeah, basically that's what you get, a few cents. So don't get me wrong, maybe for 1,000 views on a video you get maybe like $2. And in the year and a half I've been getting those cents, I've only reached, I think last time I checked, about $80, and YouTube only pays when you reach $100. So haven't gotten any money out of that yet. I was thinking it would be a great way to fund the hobby, but so far, yeah, that hasn't happened. Of course, if you're Brian Phillips or the RC Sailors or whatnot, and I mean, all those guys are great and they get free products to review, and yeah, who wouldn't want free planes? Just make 1 or 2 videos about it and you get to keep it, fly it, sell it, whatever. I don't know if that's the case, but yeah, probably that's an easier way to make money out of this instead monetization. Of course, there's also affiliate links. I've never bothered with those. And yeah, those guys who have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, maybe they get a few bucks out of affiliate links. So I don't know if you have any other questions. Sorry, cars passing by. I've spent some time researching YouTube and how it supposedly works. Yeah, sometimes it's weird. Sometimes the algorithm just gives you views, pushes the video to people. It happens randomly. I remember when one of my videos first got to 1,000 views in a few days. I was amazed. That's what made me think, hey, maybe there's some money to be made in this. Trust me, it's not. I mean, probably for the fortunate few who can. I mean, by all means, if you want to try and pursue it, don't let me stop you, but don't be disappointed if it doesn't happen, or it doesn't happen soon. Yeah, because that damn battery hatch. I think there's a lot of variables in how YouTube pushes videos. I think it's the impression rate. I mean, if it shows it to 1,000 people and only 4 or 5 click on it, then it's not gonna show it. Then it's also not gonna come up in searches on the top positions. And yeah, that's actually, I think, this plane, when I first got it, I was looking for videos on YouTube on it, and there weren't that many. And that's how I kind of got the idea maybe I could make a few. Haven't done that many, but it's a great plane. Too bad it's discontinued. And look at that, on a 300 milliamp 2S. I had the timer set for 7 minutes and I'm at 348 over the timer. That's almost 10 minutes of flight time. Amazing little plane. If you have one, or if you can get your hands on one, don't hesitate. I use this with my son to practice flying. Okay, so this video's gone on long enough. See, I'm at over 12 minutes already. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video. That helps. Also, leave some great comments. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye.